Welcome to the Musical Instruments Quiz. We will explore 30 incredible instruments from India and around the world. Let's begin. Question 1. Which musical instrument produces sound when air is blown through it? Option A. Tabla. Option B. Sitar. Option C. Flute. Option D. Veena. The correct answer is flute. The flute is a wind instrument that produces sound when a player blows air across its mouthpiece opening. It is one of the oldest instruments in the world, found in virtually every culture. Question 2. What material is traditionally used to make the chenda drum? Option A. Steel. Option B. Jackwood and leather. Option C. Bamboo. Option D. Clay. The correct answer is jackwood and leather. The chenda is a cylindrical percussion instrument from Kerala made of jackwood, Artocarpus heterophyllus, with leather stretched on both faces. It is a key instrument in Kerala's classical and folk traditions. Question 3. Which instrument is called the king of instruments in Western classical music? Option A. Violin. Option B. Piano. Option C. Pipe organ. Option D. Trumpet. The correct answer is pipe organ. The pipe organ is considered the king of instruments due to its enormous size, wide tonal range, and complex mechanism. It produces sound by pushing pressurized air through metal or wooden pipes. Question 4. Which Indian plucked string instrument is central to Hindustani classical music? Option A. Sarod. Option B. Sitar. Option C. Veena. Option D. Santoor. The correct answer is sitar. The sitar is a long-necked plucked lute central to Hindustani classical music. It has 18 to 21 strings and uses sympathetic resonating strings to create its characteristic rich, buzzing tone. Question 5. Which percussion instrument from Rajasthan is played by striking with curved sticks? Option A. Dholak. Option B. Dhol. Option C. Chang. Option D. Nagara. The correct answer is Chang. The Chang is a large frame drum from Rajasthan struck with curved sticks. It is central to holy celebrations and folk music in Rajasthan, producing deep resonant rhythmic beats. Question 6. Which Spanish string instrument is closely associated with flamenco music? Option A. Mandolin. Option B. Ukulele. Option C. Classical guitar. Option D. Lute. The correct answer is classical guitar. The classical guitar is the soul of Spanish flamenco music. The flamenco guitar style uses rapid strumming, risquedo, tapping on the body, and intricate fingerpicking to create passionate rhythmic melodies. Question 7. Which instrument from Scotland produces sound through a bag filled with air? Option A. Accordion. Option B. Banjo. Option C. Bagpipes. Option D. Hurdy-gurdy. The correct answer is bagpipes. Bagpipes are wind instruments in which the player blows air into a bag, which then forces air through multiple pipes. The Scottish Great Highland Bagpipe is the most recognized version worldwide. Question 8. Which Indian instrument is a bowed string instrument central to Carnatic music? Option A. Sarangi. Option B. Israj. Option C. Violin. Option D. Dilruba. The correct answer is violin. The violin was adopted into Carnatic classical music in the 18th century. Played in a unique seated posture, it became inseparable from South Indian classical concerts, accompanying vocals and as a solo instrument. Question 9. Which percussion instrument from Kerala is considered sacred and used in temple festivals? Option A. Mridangam. Option B. Edaka. Option C. Thimila. Option D. Chenda. The correct answer is chenda. The chenda is Kerala's most sacred percussion instrument, integral to temple festivals like Thrissur Puram. Its powerful sound represents divine presence and is essential in Panchavadyam orchestral ensembles. Question 10. Which instrument, invented in the 1840s, uses a keyboard to produce sound through hammers striking strings? Option A. Harpsichord. Option B. Grand piano. Option C. Clavichord. Option D. Celesta. The correct answer is grand piano. The grand piano produces sound when felt-covered hammers strike steel strings, triggered by pressing keys. Invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori around 1700 and refined over centuries, it is the most versatile keyboard instrument. Question 11. Which ancient Indian instrument, a type of veena, is associated with goddess Saraswati? Option A. Sitar. Option B. Rudra veena. Option C. Santur. Option D. Rabab. The correct answer is Rudra veena. The Rudra veena is one of India's oldest string instruments, associated with Lord Shiva and goddess Saraswati. It is a long neck lute with two large god resonators and is central to the Dhrupad style of Hindustani music. Question 12. Which Brazilian percussion instrument is made from a hollow gourd filled with seeds or beads? Option A. Maracas. Option B. Conga. Option C. Djembe. Option D. Cajon. The correct answer is maracas. Maracas are rattling percussion instruments originally from Latin America, made from dried gourds filled with seeds or beads. They are shaken to produce rhythm and are integral to salsa, samba, and folk music. Question 13. Which Middle Eastern string instrument has a pear-shaped body and is considered the ancestor of the guitar? Option A. Saz. Option B. Oud. Option C. Ta. Option D. Bouzouki. The correct answer is oud. The oud is a short neck lute with a deep pear-shaped body, originating from the Middle East and North Africa. It is considered the ancestor of the European lute and guitar, with over 5,000 years of history. Question 14. Which Indian classical percussion instrument is the primary rhythmic accompaniment in Carnatic music? Option A. Tabla. Option B. Pakhavaj. Option C. Mridangam. Option D. Dholak. The correct answer is mridangam. The mridangam is a double-headed barrel drum and the primary rhythmic instrument of Carnatic classical music from South India. It is made from jackwood with leather membranes tuned to specific pitches. Question 15. Which African drum, originating in West Africa, is goblet-shaped and played with bare hands? Option A. Talking drum. Option B. Conga. Option C. Djembe. Option D. Dundun. The correct answer is djembe. The djembe is a goblet-shaped drum from West Africa, traditionally carved from hardwood and covered with animal skin. It produces three distinct tones, bass, tone, and slap, and plays a central role in community gatherings. Question 16. Which instrument, made from a single bamboo tube, is associated with Lord Krishna? Option A. Sanai. Option B. Bansuri. Option C. Nadaswaram. Option D. Pengi. The correct answer is Bansuri. The Bansuri is a side-blown bamboo flute central to Hindustani classical music and deeply associated with Lord Krishna. Its breathy, soulful tone makes it one of India's most beloved classical instruments. Question 17. Which Norwegian string instrument is bowed and has sympathetic resonating strings beneath the playing strings? Option A. Hardanger fiddle. Option B. Hurdy-gurdy. Option C. Naikal harpa. Option D. Kantal. The correct answer is Hardanger fiddle. The Hardanger fiddle, hardingfele, is Norway's national instrument with 4 playing strings and 4 to 5 sympathetic strings beneath, creating a rich, resonant sound. It is central to Norwegian folk and traditional music. Question 18. Which Indian string instrument is a boat fiddle used extensively in Rajasthani folk music? Option A. Sarangi. Option B. Israj. Option C. Kamaicha. Option D. Ravanhatta. The correct answer is Kamaicha. The Kamaicha is a bowed string instrument used by the Manganiyar musicians of Rajasthan. It has a spherical resonating chamber made of goat skin and metal strings, producing a haunting, earthy desert sound. Question 19. Which percussion instrument from South India has a V-shaped body and is used in Panchavadyam? Option A. Thimila. Option B. Idaka. Option C. Kombu. Option D. Mizavu. The correct answer is Idaka. The Edaka, is an hourglass-shaped drum from Kerala, held by a strap around the neck and played with a thin curved stick. Its pitch changes when the player squeezes the connecting strings, used in temple rituals. Question 20. Which keyboard instrument was popular before the piano and pluck strings using quills? Option A. Clavichord. Option B. Harpsichord. Option C. Celesta. Option D. Harmonium. The correct answer is harpsichord. The harpsichord is a keyboard instrument in which strings are plucked by quills, plectra, when keys are pressed, unlike the piano where strings are struck. It was the dominant keyboard instrument in Baroque music, 1600-1750. Question 21. Which Japanese string instrument has 3 strings and is played with a large plectrum? Option A. Koto. Option B. Shamisen. Option C. Biwa. Option D. Shakuhachi. The correct answer is shamisen. The shamisen is a 3-stringed Japanese lute played with a large plectrum called a bachi. Its neck is unfretted, allowing expressive pitch bending. It is central to geisha music, kabuki theatre, and folk traditions. Question 22. Which wind instrument from South India is an oboe type played at temples and auspicious occasions? Option A. Sanai. Option B. Nadaswaram. Option C. Pengi. Option D. Kombu. The correct answer is Nadaswaram. The Nadaswaram is a double reed wind instrument from South India, one of the loudest non-brass acoustic instruments in the world. It is considered sacred and is played at Hindu temple festivals, weddings, and ceremonies. Question 23. Which percussion instrument from Manipur, India, is essential in Manipuri dance performances? Option A. Dholak. Option B. Nagara. Option C. Pung. Option D. Dhime. The correct answer is Pung. The Pung, Manipuri Mridanga, is a barrel-shaped double-headed drum central to Manipuri classical dance. The Pung Cholam performance, where dancers simultaneously play the drum, is a spectacular art form unique to Manipur. Question 24. Which instrument from China has 21 strings and is played by plucking with both hands? Option A, Eru. Option B, Pipa. Option C, Gusheng. Option D, Titsi. The correct answer is Gusheng. The Gusheng is a traditional Chinese zither with 21 strings stretched over movable bridges. Played by plucking with finger picks on the right hand and pressing strings on the left, it produces flowing, lyrical melodies central to Chinese classical music. Question 25. Which Hawaiian string instrument became globally popular and has 4 strings? Option A, mandolin. Option B, banjo. Option C, ukulele. Option D, bouzouki. The correct answer is ukulele. The ukulele is a small 4-stringed instrument originating from Hawaii, adapted from Portuguese immigrants' instruments in the 1880s. Its cheerful, bright sound became globally popular, especially in folk and pop music. Question 26. Which Indian wind instrument, made from a gourd, is associated with snake charmers? Option A, Sanai. Option B, Bansuri. Option C, Pingi. Option D, Algotha. The correct answer is Pingi. The Pingi, bin, is a wind instrument made from a dried gourd with 2 bamboo pipes. Traditionally played by snake charmers across India, it produces a reedy, hypnotic drone that is said to mesmerize cobras. Question 27. Which orchestral instrument is the highest pitched member of the woodwind family? Option A, clarinet. Option B, oboe. Option C, piccolo. Option D, bassoon. The correct answer is piccolo. The piccolo is the highest pitched instrument in the standard orchestra, sounding 1 octave above the concert flute. Its piercing, brilliant tone can be heard above the entire orchestra and is often used for dramatic effect. Question 28. Which ancient Indian instrument, a large war drum, was used on battlefields by kings? Option A, dhol. Option B, dholak. Option C, nagara. Option D, damaru. The correct answer is nagara. The nagara, nagada, is a massive kettle drum historically used on battlefields and in royal courts to announce the presence of kings. It is still played at temples, royal processions, and festivals across Rajasthan and Gujarat. Question 29. Which string instrument, central to Irish folk music, is a small handheld harp? Option A, bodhran. Option B, Celtic harp. Option C, tin whistle. Option D, Uyan pipes. The correct answer is Celtic harp. The Celtic harp, Irish harp, is Ireland's national symbol and one of the oldest musical instruments in Europe. Its triangular frame holds 29 to 47 strings, producing pure, resonant tones central to Irish and Scottish folk traditions. Question 30. Which Indian double flute instrument produces 2 simultaneous notes and is from Punjab? Option A, Bansuri. Option B, Sanai. Option C, Algotha. Option D, Pingi. The correct answer is Algotha. The Algotha is a traditional double flute from Punjab and Sindh, consisting of 2 bamboo flutes played simultaneously. The player maintains a continuous sound using circular breathing, producing a hauntingly beautiful interlocking melody.